Welcome everyone, welcome. So I already washed the rice and so forth, so I'm gonna put a piece of garlic inside. And girl, when girl I cook, girl have to put our garlic. So guys, I drink some oats until I finish cook. So I'm gonna be looking about sardine and rice. I have my onion and my tomato that I'm gonna be wash and get them sliced open. Give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna wash these and come back. I'll finish washing the tomato and the onion. I think I'm gonna use it with the seeds today. I don't normally use it with the seed, but I'm gonna keep the seed inside the tomato. Normally when I cook, I take the seeds out, but today I feel like more I'll leave it in. And see, so I slice my tomato. But I forgot it the old-fashioned way, Well, this is how I slice my tomato. And it's the same way I'm gonna be slicing my onions. And one thing, girl loves sardine and rice. From I got nursing school, I love sardine and rice. Even way before that, but I think since when I got nursing school and to make things more cheaper on me, guys used to just snack on sardine and rice because guess what? To me, it cheap and affordable. It's slice the onion. Guys, somebody play music. Me can't bother with that yard. Alright, so girl finish cut up the onion and so forth. Alright, my half pepper in this, but guess what? I'm gonna pick a fresh pepper from half of the tree. Let me check You know, should I put this on the back right here? Alright. Let's see this one. I'm gonna pick a fresh pepper and come on. Like up the stream, guys. Alright, so see? Fresh pepper. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna burst it up. I'm not gonna cut the pepper, I'm gonna just use the fork to board it. Let me go throw away these. The back. I have so much light up on here, so come with me. Alright guys, welcome, welcome. Matamia, welcome. Hello, how are you doing? So I see that pot here when I put on a black pot, a black Dutch pot here. Guess what? You see this pot? My like for fry my dumpling in another pot there. Man, I like when I fry dumpling in another pot there. Everybody love it. He, she, and the whole lady. Everybody love when I fry dumpling. So anyway, girls soon come back. Let me mute the mic just in case if any music or anything. Welcome, welcome. Guys, mega make Leticia something so mega say go wash it off and get it greater. Give me a minute. Welcome guys. So girl here and girl I gonna make some vegetable. Even though I have sinus, I'm not supposed to have full on mayonnaise, but yeah, I make my vegetable the same way. Yes, let me sit down. If I can sit down a bit. Banana threading grater. So what I have to do? I have to grate the carrots. I don't know where they do it the threading grater because there was a threading grater here, but you know when you have other people use things you can't find it. Alright, so guys, see how it look? I'm gonna go for the mayonnaise. We have a piece of carrot leaf back, which I'm not ready for that yet. The rice are steamed up, guys, so I'm gonna really have to look on the rice. So let me mute the mic a bit. So guys, all along I thought that the mic did unmute. Oh Jesus. So you can put tomato in it if you want. You can put peanuts inside of it if you want. You can put your cucumber, whatever you want to put in there. All I put was some sugar and mayonnaise and my lettuce, my carrot. I grated the carrot, guys, because I like it when it grater. And plus, I don't know where they do with the chili grater, so girl, I have to work with that. Give me a minute. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Like up the street, guys. Oh God. Guys, me have to mute the mic because music I play next door. The man do a casting or something. I am here making breakfast. I am good. This is my lettuce that I'm going to be having with my rice and sardine. So I have the seasoning cut up, pepper and everything inside of it. I'm going to left to put in your garlic. So guys, let me mute the mic. I am from Jamaica. So guys, I don't want too much oil because you know say too much oil will give you high cholesterol. I not even know what that you put in at the chat, but anyhow, let me see if we can see it. Jamaican woman are trouble. Okay. Anyway, let me mute back the mic because they might play some music. I'm gonna want to get no copyright. I am good. Welcome, welcome. Like up the stream, guys. So I'm just gonna have a piece. Gonna put a piece of garlic. Let that kind of gonna let that fry out a little bit. Welcome, welcome. Like up the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna mute the mic because I'm going back outside, and then I'll be back. Uh, let's see. My favorite food: sardine and rice and curry chicken. Anything in curry. But a long time I eat no meat. Guys, let me go throw with this and come back. Welcome everyone, welcome. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burst the pepper. Yeah. To give it that hot, rich, rich, spicy flavor. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little seasoning in it. I don't wanna put much seasoning because me and the seasoning will work out. Powder season don't like me. So I have to be careful with the powder season. Hold on. Oh my god. So guys, if I keep on here one flicking sound, that's the camera what I have inside the house. So see. T Maria, welcome, welcome. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And my white rice. Hey, welcome, welcome, beautiful, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. All right, that's over with. All right, so guys, hold on. So these are brand new plates, so I have to go wash them out and come back. I have to wash it out and come back. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. I would really appreciate it, guys. I'm trying to reach that 3K subscriber. So this is the vegetable that I make. And make sure I did break up the lettuce them a little smaller, but I never do that because I actually like them like that, man. But if me not gonna do it for somebody else, I would have did that. I would have done that, but I'm cooking for myself. I'm literally cooking for myself, so you see how the food look? And I go, not even gonna ask her. I go just share some cake, I give mother-in-law, I'm not gonna ask her. Normally, I would have ask, but Guys, I'm not a fan of rice either. I don't really fancy rice that much. So guys, what she would have to do, she would have to cut tomato in it if she wants tomato. Give me a minute. Sorry guys, I'm gonna turn on the the ring lights because guess what? I have to close the door. Give me a minute, guys. I have to close the door because rain just decides say, even go fall. Right. And I like hold a ring light here, you know. Because sometimes I literally feel like the ring light a shock and afraid of current. But you know, I'm so bloody afraid of current. So this is my little spot where girl come sit down and do our little vlogs and stuff when I feel like. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna brighten brighten the screen a little bit. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to see properly. So this is all my breakfast turned old, guys. It wasn't anything long, but I'll get rid of it. This is nice. Welcome everyone. Then this now my favorite, the lettuce alongside with the carrots and my mayonnaise. Tastes really good. Guys, the only thing that I'm missing from this is the cucumber. And guys, this is not something if you feed pan because guess what? It will let you put on too much weight. So if you are looking forward to losing weight, stay far. Welcome everyone. Guys, let me know what's your favorite food. What is your favorite meal? Guys, I don't normally cook on a Friday and a Saturday, but this morning I felt as if I want something, some sardine and rice. Yeah, so who wants some? Here we go. Let me say this is on a budget. And I have my water. Guys, I'm not the type of person who likes to drink a lot of what you call it, soda. No, I'm not that type of person. Whereas I'm trying to lose some weight. Guys, right now I'm having too much weight, so that's me not lying. Sardine and rice, nice. You fetch a long time and I have it. The pepper is perfect in it. The vegetable, perfect. Guys, I never remember some I have like the mixed vegetable inside the fridge. Because if I remember, would I put some, would I make some mixed vegetable rice instead of the plain white rice. I know that's disgusting to some of you are, but I mean, I make that always. Welcome everyone, welcome. Guys, let me know where you're watching from. I can shout you out. But I'm watching that up. I don't like eat and drink, but thanks to everyone who has support my platform. Thanks to the genuine ones. nobody come tell me say then they dip on my live stream, but they didn't feel like commenting. I'm not gonna believe that. Not gonna believe. Hmm? I'm gonna finish. Guys, let me mute the mic because music start back. Welcome everyone, welcome. So the rice and sardine finish. So I saved the best for the last. But I know I love this mixture, the lettuce alongside with the carrots and the mayonnaise. But one thing, girl don't play with our food. When it comes to food, we not play. Yeah, me tell you guys, girl eat a lot when it comes to food, and you know the funniest thing, I'm taking some vitamins will help open my appetite a lot more. So guys, we almost reach an hour and so forth. So I'm gonna just let it run for an hour. Then I'm gonna call it a day and done. Then I'm gonna go over to my main channel to go and see if I can get a video for edit. Yeah, I'm gonna look at video for edit for my main channel. Okay, you know, girl, I try work when I watch over for that channel here. So whatever it takes, I just that. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Let me see something. Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of my live stream. God is the greatest, you know. God is the greatest. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, it's not even funny, yo. Not funny, but and before nobody come ask me how me a skin my teeth both, I'm just looking at the messages in the chat. And I'm a live stream. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash back all the stuff that I use. Welcome everyone, welcome. So I have 1 minute left. So guys, I tell you, the food was not because I cook it, but the food tastes real good. The sardine and rice, a long time when I eat sardine and rice because I really fancy white rice overall, especially the if it's not jasmine rice. I don't really fancy it because you see these rice that we get here, they're too heavy. I'm gonna like the broke up rice grain them or something. I call it food for the poor rice. That's what I call it. I like them rice there. But in the meantime, is what I had left. So I'm just whip up what I have left. I'm gonna tell her, my mother-in-law, she enjoyed it. She enjoyed it. And that's the greatest thing, you know. Oh, I didn't get to share myself out. Why I didn't share myself out? Even though my almost finished the stream, but never go and never share myself. Share, share it out. Other person can come back and rewatch the entire video to see how I prepare everything and all that. Guys, this morning when I wake up, oh my god, my body feel weak like a rat. You know what I have to do? I have to bathe in the cold water and something. But now I feel much better. Feel a little bit better. But you know, say a little later and that's the time when I go feel it come back on. But I can still see it in my eyes. The flu business. Man, I like feeling sick. I don't like having flu because when me have flu, I don't even have appetite for food. So anyway, guys, I finally reached the hour. It's finally the hour that we have been waiting on. Anyway, girl can't sing for Sarah life, but it's finally the hour. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when I'll be doing another cooking video, but this morning, if you miss the beginning of my live stream, here what. Go back and watch it from the beginning to the end and you'll see what I prepared. I'm not even going to take a picture. I'm not even remember if I take a picture of it, but trust me, the food was amazing. I enjoy my sardine and rice with my vegetable and stuff like that. Top tier. Anyway, guys, bye. See you in our next live stream or in our next video. Guys, remember to watch the video, then comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Bye.